So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I want to know, can you tell a slight difference in this quality? Okay, let's just get into this quality real fast. Okay, you guessed it, your girl finally got a camera. Tell by the title of this video, I know you guys have been waiting on me to drop lip gloss business videos or whatever, and today I'm finally dropping a business related video of me making one of my products. So it's not lip gloss today, but I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my turmeric body scrubs that are on my website right now that you can go purchase today. So I will say my website will be shutting down. I will be closing my website down on January 16th. So that gives you a couple days, like a few days. What's today? Today is the 12th. So 4 days to go shop, go get as much stuff as you can before I shut down my website. I'm not sure how long the website will be closed down, but I'm working on rebrand, restocking, just changing like my whole color scheme, the whole theme. Really not the theme, but just basically just upgrading everything. So upgrading my products. I've been working on new recipes. I've been working on new formulas. I've been working on like new color scheme. The same great products, but even better, even heightened. We're gonna have more products, more natural, more skincare related, more products that enhances your natural beauty. Like I always talk about, you know, that's part of my my mantra for my business. We want everybody to feel beautiful in their own skin. We want everybody to be naturally and lavishly beautiful with their own skin that they were blessed with. So that is what I like to, you know, go by, you know, with my products. I love making natural skincare products. I love making natural products, beauty products that you can use in your everyday routine. So this product is my turmeric body scrub. This helps to rejuvenate and exfoliate the skin. If you guys have not seen that, I will put it on the screen, link it in the description box where you can go straight to the link and purchase before my website closes. And I always say I am not going to be giving you guys measurements. I know my own measurements. It's up to you. If you want to make your own products, if you want to resell your own products, it is up to you to determine your measurements and get the formula that you like. I can give you guys I can give you guys the products that I use, tell you guys the products that I use, but as far as measurements, oh, you need 3/4 cups this, half a cup of this, a cup of this. I am not doing that. And I see so many comments still to this day on people coming on my old videos about, she didn't give me any measurements, she didn't tell me any measurements. This video would have been good if you would have gave measurements. No, sweetheart. At the end of the day, I have a business. It's my option to provide these videos to you guys of me making these products, but I am not obligated to tell you guys measurements. When you go to the Walmart, when you go to Sephora, Ulta, wherever you go to buy your beauty products, skincare products, not nail company tells you how much of each thing that they put in their products. They give you guys the ingredients, but they never tell you, oh, we put 1/4 cup of glycerin, we do 2 drops of tea tree. Like, they never tell you these things. They never tell you measurements. So when you see a small business, us lip gloss business, us cosmetic business owners on YouTube providing videos for you guys as entertainment and to help you guys with coming up with new products and making new products, it's a luxury. It is not a necessity that we have to do. This is strictly for entertainment, to help you guys, to for knowledge purposes, to give you guys ideas, and to also let you see our process of doing this. It is not to, you know, just hand everything to you. If you're going to be a business owner, if you want to own a business, if you want to do this, if you want to do that, you have to come up with things yourself. You cannot always have your hand out and say, oh, I would like to buy your recipe from you, and also I would like to know the measurements of what you put in this. Like, no, that's not how that works, sweetheart. So I just want to put that disclaimer out there. Once again, for this new year 2021, I do not want to see nothing about measurements on none of my videos anymore. And yeah, let's just get into the video. I know y'all guys, I know you hate when I talk, but I just had to throw that out there. So let's just get right into it. These are the scrubs right here. They are done and they look amazing. So yeah, guys, first. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna demonstrate while I have time. I'm gonna take a little bit of this scrub. As you can see, I'm taking some extra. I'm gonna place it on my hand. I'm gonna rub it, exfoliate. It feels good to the skin. You can see it's giving my skin a little tint, but you can also see that it's giving it some glow. So it's giving it a little bit of glow. I'm just massaging it into my skin, and by me doing this, it's going to work the turmeric and all the oils into my skin, and it's going to allow for a more shinier surface. So I don't have any water right here, but I am going to like just wipe it off. All right, so I didn't wipe my hand off or anything, but you can see I have a glow on my skin. So I'm just gonna take the towel and wipe it away. And you can see my hand is glowing. Like my skin looks more smoother. It looks more nourished, more brighter. And this is what turmeric does. It makes the skin, gets rid of dark spots, makes the skin more vibrant, and it just lightens the skin, and it feels so good. It's soft to the touch because of the oils that are used in it, and it is a great product. All right guys, so that is all for this video. That is all for this video, you guys. I just made 3 for right now. I'm going to be making some more to go ahead and put in my stock. But if you guys would like to purchase some of this turmeric body scrub, the link will be right here in the cards and in the description box. The link will be to the direct link to the turmeric body scrubs will be in the description box. Like I said, this has sugar, Epsom salt, apple cider vinegar, vitamin E, castor oil, olive oil. Has some great oils in there to help with moisture, and then it has turmeric to help relieve dark spots, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties to help with healing and soothing of the skin. So I highly recommend that you guys go purchase some of this. Everybody that purchases it loves it. You have to use this on a consistent basis. I say give it about a month and you start seeing results. You have to do things in routine to start seeing results from it. You can't just use it a week or a day and think this is not working. You have to use it for at least a month before you start seeing results. If you guys suffer from underarm darkness, if you want to get summertime ready, this is the way to go. So the link will be down in the description box. I do have a coupon. I'm looking at my viewfinder this whole time. I'm sorry, I need to be looking at the camera. If you guys would like to purchase some of this turmeric body scrub, the link will be down in the description box. Go check it out. I do have a coupon code on my website that you guys can get 25% off your entire order. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.